Alright, so I got my 2 video editors, my 1 script writer, and my 2 voice actors, which I might just switch out to 1 now just because one of them isn't producing like I like. I need another member, that being a graphic designer, the thumbnail person. And so not too long ago, about half an hour, I just posted the application on onlinejobs.ph and then also my Google form along with it. And then as you can see here, I already got 6 responses. So I went through them. Out of those 6, 2 of them were people that I liked, I was interested in, but I just wanted to wait a little bit longer to see how many more I get and just kind of go through them. Dude, all right, it's Sunday, June 19th, 8:17 a.m. You can see right there, and you won't believe how many responses I got. 38. I was at like 5 yesterday, and then here you could see the inbox for online jobs. 43 messages. Mind you, I think I already had messages boom, but 43. It's been 24 hours. Wow. All right, so it's 8:44 and I now have 41 to go through. I'm currently at 15, but just keeps going up. All right, it's 11:02 a.m. I took a bit of a break and I'm at 49 right now. And I'm on 33rd person. Still a long ways to go. All right, I finished going through everybody. It is 11:45 a.m. and there were 53. Oh wait, what? One more person just came. All right, let me just check that person real quick. I wrote a little bit of notes here, so here I'll just cover the other stuff. But yeah, that's basically it. From name, if they emailed me, what I rated them, if they were video editor, extra notes, and some other stuff. So yeah, I picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so 14 out of the 54. All right, it's 1:23 p.m. I got a few more, 60, and I just finished. And I did something a little different this time. Well, after going through like my top candidates, I'm just, instead of kind of asking questions back and forth, since it's kind of just thumbnails, I just kind of went ahead and shot the message being like, hey, thank you for taking the time to apply. After reviewing your profile, I'd be interested in having you on board. The rate would be X per thumbnail. You'd be given examples to base it off of. You can expect 5 to 10 thumbnails a week. If you're also interested in video editing, the rate is blank per video. Below is an example video. Assitant will be the platform used to organize the workflow. I'll provide training videos to show what's expected. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. Best, Chris. So yeah, I kind of just sent the email straight forward just to see what happens. All right, it's June 20th, 6:49 a.m. and I have 80 responses. I kind of forgot to shut it off, but I kind of went against my word. I just found somebody quick as a thumbnail designer, so I'm gonna test it out just because I kind of need thumbnails done pretty ASAP. But yeah. $2 per thumbnail. I don't know if that's too little or too much, but on Fiverr it's like $5 plus delivery fee or whatever, which is like 7, so 2 is good. All right, it's 1:45 p.m. I'm currently editing this, and I forgot to mention that last night he went ahead and accepted it later on, so I went ahead and just sent him over the agreement so he can sign. He sent it back to me, and this morning I went ahead and told him what's going on next, so I onboarded him to Assitant. I sent him the training videos to Assitant, how I want videos edited, how I want thumbnails edited, and then yeah, I just went ahead and did my thing. Later on he messaged me saying, hey, he's got the thumbnails done, and this man knocked it out of the park. He did 4 different thumbnails for one video, and I'm like, oh wow, they were all good. I ended up choosing 1 and then just asked them to make slight revisions. They usually say you're supposed to hire slow and fire fast, but I kind of did the opposite. Hopefully it doesn't bite me in the butt. So overall, I'm very happy with the team. I know I made the right decisions for now. If things have to change, they have to change, but right now, you know, I'm pretty confident in them. So yeah, that's what's been going on so far. You know, if you like this type of style of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click the bell notification to be the first to be notified when a new video comes out.